In this video, we listed the 5 best drawing tablet under $100 on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Huion H430p Digital Tablets. The Huion H430p OTG drawing tablet is a versatile tool that has been upgraded to support connection to Android mobile phones and tablets, making it ideal for drawing, playing OSU games, editing photos, and even e-signatures for business purposes. The battery-free stylus PW201 offers 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity, 5080 LPI resolution, and 233 pps lag-free report rate, allowing for a smooth and precise drawing experience. With its compact and portable design, for customizable shortcut keys, and wide compatibility with various operating systems, including Windows, Mac, Chromebook, and Android, the H430p offers a convenient and efficient drawing and gaming solution. It's important to note that the tablet does not include gloves and the cursor may not appear on some Samsung Galaxy devices at the moment. With a 4-inch screen size and a variety of specifications, the Huion H430p caters to the needs of artists, designers, students, beginners, and amateurs alike. Number 2. VEIKK A15 Pro Tablet. The graphic tablet being described is a high-quality device with a screen resolution of 1920 by 1080 and a screen size of 10.1 inches diagonally. It offers 8192 pressure levels, providing users with precise control and a resolution ratio of 5080 LPI for detailed work. The tablet comes with a package included and is suitable for various graphic design and digital art projects. Number 3. Huion Inspiroy 2 Tablets. The Huion Inspiroy 2M is a versatile graphic tablet available in pine green and black color choices. It boasts wide OS compatibility, functioning seamlessly on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Chrome OS, Android, and Harmony OS devices. Featuring 3 group keys for added functionality, customizable press keys, and a convenient scroller, this tablet offers a user-friendly experience for artists and professionals alike. With compatibility for smartphones and tablets, left-handed users, and a slim design suitable for portability, the Inspiroy 2M is a practical tool for creating art on the go. This package includes the tablet, pen PW110, pen holder, pen nibs, cables, and a quick start guide. With a pressure level of 8192 and a resolution ratio of 5080 LPI, this graphic tablet ensures precision and accuracy in digital artwork creation. Number 4. GAOMON S620 Graphic Tablet. The GAOMON S620 is a versatile digital graphic tablet designed for drawing, painting, playing games like OSU, and more. It features a 6.5 x 4-inch active area with 8192 levels of pen pressure sensitivity, providing precise control and accuracy for natural lines and enhanced creative performance. The tablet supports Android devices in addition to Windows and Mac OS, making it convenient for a variety of users. The passive pen technology eliminates the need for batteries or charging, offering uninterrupted drawing and playing experiences. With 4 programmable express keys and compatibility with various drawing software, such as Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator, the GAOMON S620 is suitable for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Additionally, the tablet comes with a 1-year warranty and convenient design features like anti-slip rubber and a micro USB output for faster data transmission. It also allows users to draw, sign, and comment directly on various documents, further enhancing workflow efficiency. Overall, the GAOMON S620 combines functionality, portability, and compatibility to meet the needs of digital artists and creators. Number 5. XPPen Deco Drawing Tablets. The new Deco MW drawing tablet comes equipped with the innovative X3 chip stylus, providing a sharp, stable, and precise drawing experience. The stylus features a low initial activation force, increased sensitivity, and reduced retraction distance for faster responses. With digital signal transmission and a battery-free design supporting up to 8,192 pressure levels and 60 degrees of tilt, it offers enhanced efficiency and convenience. The tablet features Bluetooth 5.0 for wireless connectivity and a long-lasting 1000 mAh battery. With both wired and wireless connection options, 8-inch by 5-inch work area, lightweight design, and compatibility with various operating systems and digital art software, the Deco MW tablet ensures a versatile and seamless creative experience. Available in four vibrant colors, this tablet is designed for comfort, portability, and efficient workflow, making it a valuable tool for digital artists and creators.